Wayne, were you just waiting here? Don't fall, don't fall. 反而佢個 brother 咧就會鍾意自己一個，呢隻咧就好黐身嘅呢個，係咪啊？佢唔識聽中文。Are you gonna come upstairs? Oh, yeah, let's go upstairs. Oh, hey, Kramer. Are you gonna come upstairs, Kramer? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Hey guys, it's me, Cheryl. This video definitely talks about a huge part of Canadian culture and also our values. And I just want to warn you, your heart is going to be a little bit overwhelmed by how much cuteness you're going to see. Okay, so basically I went on this date with two really cute guys. The first guy has short hair. And then the other one has just slightly longer hair, which I don't mind at all. Jokes aside, I was not the one on a date. It was their owner who went on a date. She had a great time, super happy for her, and I decided to cat sit for her. Just waiting to eat. Aww. I know you're hungry. All right, Kramer. Aw, yeah, you get to eat. Okay, so. Okay. Oh my gosh, don't fight. Okay. 佢哋成朝望住我，因為我企咗喺個雪櫃前面。Are you not hungry? Are you not hungry? You are meowing a lot, huh? So both Wayne and Kramer are from the animal shelter, and they were about 6 months old when they were first adopted, and they've spent a lovely 3 years together with their owner. Wayne is the little one in the tuxedo. He is definitely not a shy cat at all. If he ever needs attention or affection, he will tell you. He'll literally stand in front of you and be like, I need love and attention right now, give me. Even though he's very proactive in seeking attention, he's definitely not the type that would overstep boundaries. Like, he gives you personal space. Wayne. You're funny. Where's your brother? Let's see. Kramer. Oh, there you are. Kramer. Kramer is the fluffier one. He loves eating. On the first day I met him, he was definitely a little bit shyer, but he's just as affectionate, to be honest. So I need to be really mindful to just pet him gently so I don't scare him away. Kramer, are you eating your brother's food? 超好笑，佢兩兜都食嘅呢隻貓。Well, if you're not gonna come down, he's gonna eat all your food. Hmm? Please don't fight. 你頭先係咪偷食人哋嗰一兜啊？We saw it. Aren't you funny? You got caught red-handed. 要俾人睇到啦你。When he wants attention, he'll definitely come to you for pets. And once he's done with your pets, he'll just quietly dismiss himself. On the second day, though, he warmed up a lot. Together, they get along really well. Sometimes they get jelly at each other, though. Good morning, Kramer. Good morning. Oh, you want pets too? You want a pet too, but there's no more space. You can jump on my lap. Where's your brother? Right there. Oh. 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 Oh my gosh, you guys. You guys are killing me. Oh, my heart. You doing okay, Wayne? I've had cat owners complain to me that their cats are too clingy and they couldn't do their own stuff, but spending time with Wayne and Kramer was just a joy. Like, I was still able to do my own stuff and, you know, watch anime and watch more anime. I had nothing to do anyways. I don't mind having clingy cats. I'm a dog person, so I like cuddles. One thing that you can take away from Canadian culture is the love and care that we put into animals. Like, we just love our animals, especially in Vancouver. Like, people just are so passionate in protecting our wildlife. You know, there's a running joke where people say the younger generation wants to have pets over kids. And in some way, there is a little bit of truth in that, because oftentimes, the strollers that you see on the streets, they're not for babies. The strollers are for their pets, like for their cats, for their dogs. Pretty sure I've seen a bird one time. There are so many vegans out there, and I honestly really respect that. Like, if you want to travel and you want to travel with your pet, Vancouver is honestly the city you want to go to. And I think Kelowna too. Honestly, everywhere you go, especially in downtown, like, you'll see dog owners walking their dogs everywhere. And you'll see like dog walkers that are hired to walk like 5, 6, 7 dogs all at the same time. It's pretty crazy. We've got more companies encouraging their employees to bring in their cat or their dog to work. We've got salons that are super pet friendly. We've got cafes. We've got hotels that are also very pet friendly. And I especially want to say that in the past few years, there's definitely been an increasing demand for animal adoption. Vancouverites are just so proactive in encouraging others to consider adoption as their first option. So my girlfriend adopted Wayne and Kramer from SPCA in BC. Also have a friend from Calgary that adopted a bunny from the Calgary Humane Society. And based on the feedback that I've heard from my friends who have adopted from these shelters, it seems the process is pretty straightforward. I will include both links to SPCA and also the Calgary Humane Society in the description box below, so if you're interested, you can check it out yourself. Babies! Babies! Aww. Is that what your name is now? Babies! Hey, babies. Aww. Come here, come there, lady. Oh my gosh, you're adorable. So cute. Oh. Oh. 等我睇下你哋個飯兜先。 Wow！ 你哋真係清晒全部啲雞油啊！OK， 我再整多啲俾你哋啦。Okay, yeah, I will make some more, don't you worry. Okay, this is getting a little personal, but I used to have a wiener dog, and I brought him home when he was a little baby. We spent 16 years together. He's been such a huge blessing to my family and to myself. And several years ago, he passed away because of old age, and we kind of saw it coming. But honestly, it was really hard to get over that, and it still is. There's not a day that I don't think of him. But over time, and after this experience with Wayne and Kramer, I feel like it's really got me to consider getting a pet again, especially getting a pet from a shelter. So if you're a person who's looking for a pet for yourself, I hope this video encourages you to consider adopting from a trusted shelter. I mean, obviously you would want to talk to the people that you live with, like your family or your loved ones, because it's a long-term commitment, right? Like you want to think about your future plans, your current situation, your financial situation, etc., etc. But as a former pet owner and hopefully a future one again, I am so sure that you are not going to regret bringing home that little companion of yours. Wayne! Ah, yeah? Come here. Aww. Kramer! Kramer, hey Kramer. Kramer! Oh. Kramer. No, I said Kramer. I wanted to pet Kramer. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Okay guys, this is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about Canadian culture or have any suggestions on topics you'd like me to make videos on, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye!